Next, we will talk about the earthy signs. They are 2, 6 and 10, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. As the name suggests, earthy signs. Earthy signs are the practical side to our mind, body and energies. Unlike fire, which is creativity, earth is more practicality. More planets placed in earth talk about a soul which is from an older tradition. These people try to follow traditions. These souls like to be born in traditional cultures like India or olden way of living, and they want to follow the older pattern of living which has been decided by the ancestors, the forefathers. These souls generally like to be with elders around. Why? Because they themselves are older souls. So planets placed more in the sign 2, 6 and 10, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, are souls connected to the older cultures, or we can say that these souls have been reborn and have been on earth for quite a long time. That is why one of the most important trait of earth is practicality, discipline, tenacious, less prone to anger. They take their time to decide and think. They don't hush up things. They are more in the relaxed platform. So imagine you have Saturn Saturn is an earthy planet in the earthy signs 2, 6 and 10. This Saturn is slow. It takes time. It takes time to decide because it needs to decide right. Unlike fiery element who are rash to decision making at the spur of the moment, these people take time. I'll get back to you. And they will discuss it amongst the people they hold in respect. They are never rash, but are yet very practical and intelligent. Their connection with earth can be seen as they want to do a lot of things with their hands. You will find fiery people generally walking very fast, and you will find earthy people enjoying the view, taking their time to see the place. If you go in a group, the fiery people are the ones who will be waking up first in the morning. The earthy people are probably not lazy, but they are more relaxed. They will take time to get up. On a higher level, this becomes discipline. On a lower level, this becomes lethargy. They get up very late. They sleep late, they get up late. This is the negative side to earth. As I said, whenever we talk about signs, we'll talk about both the aspects. Now lethargy is in my control. I can, but I am not able to get up early. And this will create health issues, long-term diseases. So, these days I get horoscopes of stronger planets in earthy signs, so I understand that these souls have been reborn on this earth. They know what is earth. They know how to live this earth. And most of the time I'm surprised when the youngsters talk about the traditional books, Vedas, and they discuss astrology to such a deep level that sometimes I am surprised. Have they been learning from the age of 5? They are just 20, 25. And the interest is growing about traditional things. Whenever your interest about your own culture starts to develop, there is a connection of an earthy sign which is taking you back to your roots, back to the way the ancestors lived. Today the younger generation is following certain norms which I feel is getting them back to their tradition, especially on the Hindu side of the tradition. You know, the Vedas are becoming so popular these days. A lot of questions have been put to me regarding Vedic astrology, which I am astounded that people are actually reading so deeply. So, earthy type people are stronger people. They enjoy their life, they enjoy their food, they enjoy their living. On the lower side, earthy people become hoarders. They tend to take up places where they can make money, which is not a right thing to happen, because often their possessions in life are plump, are paying well, which are playing under the table, which they don't deserve. And this is the bad part of earth, which ultimately they suffer from their health and in their own families and children to come. We'll talk about this when we talk in depth about the topic. But right now, earthy people love their food, but they need to master their food. They need to master their hunger. If you let earthy planets take their own course, these people tend to become obese. Lack of exercise is one thing that makes them obese, not food. Earthy people enjoy their food. They are not hoarders. They don't eat much. But they tend to become little heavy and weigh little heavy. That is because of lack of discipline and exercise. This is the negative form of earth. The positive form of earth is these people work like donkeys. They work until they achieve their targets. You will find earthy planets in earthy signs to be stronger people. They are not weak people. They are stronger people. They have enough energy and enough stamina that they don't get tired easily. They don't burn their energies easily. They are slow to react, but are stubborn people too. As their ideas are very fixed, it is very difficult. It takes time for them to understand, and you can make them understand only logically, not by force. Earthy people try to work everything by their hands. They want everything to be done by their own. Even if their juniors or their subordinates, they delegate the work, still they want to assess and oversee what is happening, because at times people with stronger earth tend to become perfectionist. They want the best out of everything. They may have less clothes, but they'll be the best ones. They like their food in the proper manner. They like their tea in the proper manner. They like their coffee in the proper manner. It's difficult. And people think they become stubborn. My tea is like this, my coffee is like this. Their way of life is fixed. Because these souls have been coming on this earth. At the back of the mind, the soul understands how this earth works. And they tend to become cold. They are not very connected people. They are very practical people. A soul which is born again on this earth, again and again, the cycle of birth and death, realizes that death is the ultimate course. No matter how strong the bond is, ultimately we have to leave each other. And no better people to understand this practical aspect than earthy signs. So people with moon in 2, 6 and 10, people with earthy planets like Saturn, like Rahu in 2, 6 and 10, that is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Even Surya becomes very powerful in number 10 Capricorn. We call it Uttarayan, and there are a lot of cultures which celebrate this particular moment of Sun coming into the Capricorn. Sun coming into Aries is celebrated probably less. Sun coming into Capricorn is celebrated nearly in every culture, because the wisdom now has come to the level of practicality. The wisdom is now for ruling of this earth. That is why Sun in Capricorn rather is more powerful than Sun in Aries. The wisdom and the earthy connect. However, if earth is not handled properly, these people tend to become flashy. They like to splash their wealth around. They tend to throw their weight, that I have this, They are more showy people. My car, my house, my wealth, my projection. People on the stronger level of earth project less and have more. People on the weaker level of earth have less and project more. They are showy people. They want to show their wealth. That is the lower form of earth. And this troubles them because this gets them into debt, this gets them into depression, this gets them into alcohol and other forms of intoxication to clear their mind about the pressure that they have to show people. So I request my viewers that if you feel that you are living for others, stop living this kind of life. Live for yourself. Become earthy, but don't project, don't become showy, become more practical. When these earthy planets tend to take the higher state of consciousness, these people tend to become masters of their body. Earthy people should get into meditation so that they can achieve deeper levels of meditation. They fix a goal, they take time to achieve it, but they will achieve it. Fiery people want to achieve whatever they set their targets on, but they do it in a rashful manner. They want it quick and as soon as possible. They do not have the patience as the earthy signs have. Too much of earth is also not good. If you have many planets in earthy signs, it will make you more materialistic. It will make you more lethargic. It will make you more deeper dwelling into the earthy element of life rather than the practical and the spiritual aspect of it. Food excites them a lot. Energy excites them a lot. And these people tend to have a lot of guests in their houses. They are warm people. They like to throw parties. They like people coming over. Good planets in earthy signs, their houses are always open for everybody. They are warm people. You go to their houses, you meet them in their office whenever, they'll definitely ask you to sit down. What will you have? They won't let you go until unless they treat you properly and with respect and dignity. These people love, their homes are always warm and open. You can always just walk into and you know that this is a fiery sign, he's more aggressive, he's troubled, that you should have called me before coming. But earthy people, even if they are just stepping out of the house and they are leaving for some work and they see you, they will stop and care for you. On the lower level, earth becomes corrupt. It takes on the path of cheating. It takes on the path of manipulating for money and earthy gains. The sexual desires become very high for these people. Their urges are seldom controlled. So are the urges of gambling, of making money quickly, of earning by any means. And they tend to become more miser. So people with lower earth, you are not welcome in their houses. People with higher earth, you are always welcome in their houses at any point of time of the day or night. So friends, again I repeat one thing. The karmas make a planet strong or weak. If I have a nature of being negative earth or lower earth, of cheating, of manipulating, and not of hard working, my strongest planets will also become weak. But if I have, let's say, a weaker planet in Capricorn, and I want to make it more powerful, why don't I have a practical way of earthy life? Helping people, not manipulating, not cheating, not hoarding, not becoming a miser, sharing whatever I have, not giving bribes, not accepting bribes, and to live happily in whatever little I have. Planets in earthy sign will become excellently strong and they will give you the best of the results. Let us take another example. of moon being in Virgo. Virgo is again a very practical sign. So moon, the planet of thinking and mind, becomes practical here. It tends to judge people and then go for the results. It takes time for action. It takes time to decide, and it decides right. Earthy people should not be rash. You should go to earthy people for advices, because they will listen to your problem in depth and then give you the most practical solution, because these souls know earth. They have been coming on this earth. Their living is not new on this earth. That is why we respect Sun in Capricorn. We celebrate Sun in Capricorn. We respect souls with Sun in Capricorn. When the souls are on the earthy level, they have two options, either to be at the animal level or to be at the highest human level. When the soul is at the animal level, or the planets are more of the lower earth, these people indulge more in physical pleasures, eating, sleeping and sex. But on the higher level, if this earthy plane takes on the higher form, these are the people like Lord Ram, where Lord Rama was decided to be the king, and the same night it was decided that he will be banished from the country and be in exile for 14 years. Imagine the balance of earth of a human being who is about to be the king of earth, and just one day before is being banished from the country and is set to live for 14 years. He lived like an emperor, or he could have become an emperor smilingly. He left for the exile smilingly. This is the example of higher forms of earth, where people are living in this earth but not dependent on this earth. They have money, they have power, they have all the things money can buy, but they are not dependent on it. Lord Ram lived in exile for 14 years, still continued to do work for people, still continued to help others, never thinking about himself. It is a classic example of a very strong planet in earth. Another example that comes to my mind always is Lord Buddha. When Gautam Buddha was a king, he was a warrior king. When he understood the nature of earth, that earth is not this, it is above all this, it is much more practical, he took to the path of nirvana. This may explain the levels of earth. The lower level is killing, destruction, overpowering others. That is earth. That is the lower form of earth. The higher form of earth is giving up everything and living for others. You may have everything, but you give up everything for others. This is the higher form of earth. And Sun in Capricorn talks a lot about a soul on the ascending level of the most earthy plane and going to the plane of higher forms of consciousness. Another example is of Sai Baba. If you read about his life, he had always been somebody who did not hoard earth, but yet kings would come to him, people would come to him asking for earth, and he used to bless them with earth, still begging for his food every day. These are the ways of the masters, and if we follow their path, we will understand how to overcome this negative earth and start helping people so that this becomes a positive earth. So friends, people with stronger planets in earthy signs, that is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, are older souls. They have been coming to this earth. They know the ways of this earth. That is why we call them more practical and tend to go for our problems mostly to these people. Next in line would be Aries signs.